Good morning, students. We will continue our chapter from the diary of Anne. Question 1. Why does Anne feel that writing in a diary is really a strange experience? And the answer is, it must be remembered that Anne Frank was just a 13-year-old girl. She was in the hiding and cut off from the larger world. She was hesitant that no one would be interested in the musings of a young girl. She had never written anything before, so it was naturally a strange experience for her. Second question, what motivated Anne Frank to write in a diary? And the answer is, it should not be forgotten that Annie was living in a hiding. She couldn't have a normal dealings with the people outside. She could talk about ordinary things with her family and friends. She couldn't hide personal and intimate issues with them. She didn't have any real friend. She felt utterly lonely and depressed. Writing and diary could get all kinds of things off her chest. Next question. Give a brief life sketch of Anne Frank. And answer is, Anne was born on 12th June 1929. She lived in Frankfurt until she was 4. Her father emigrated to Holland in 1933. Her mother went with him to Holland in September. Annie and her elder sister Margot were sent to Aachen to stay with their grandmother. Margot went to Holland in December and Annie followed in February. She started right away at the Montessori nursery school. She stayed there until she was 6, where she started in the first form. His grandmother died in January 1942 when she was 13. Question 4. Why does Annie say paper has more patience than people? And the answer is, Annie doesn't seem to have much faith in the people around her. She was living in a hiding and couldn't trust people so easily. Moreover, people do react. Sometimes people react rather in negative, unpleasant, vulgar and violent manners. Paper is an impersonal and non-reactive object. Whatever you write on it, it receives it without giving any such reactions. Question 5. Why doesn't Annie want to jot down facts as most people do in a diary? Why does she call it her friend Kitty? And the answer is, for Anne Frank, a diary writing is a highly personal and intimate experience. He is not like other diary writers who load it with facts and non-personal matters. She wants to compensate her loss of having no true friends with opening out of her heart in the pages of her diary. She wants the diary to be her true friend and calls it Kitty. We will continue tomorrow.